Roger Strom, I'm city engineer, and I've been here roughly a year and a half. This is the City of Port Washington City Hall, so the administrative staff, directors of public works, basically all residents of Port Washington, when they got business with the city, they come here. Well, most of the problems were identified before I got here, but yes, a lot of leaks, so which would show up in stained tiles and missing tiles or ceiling tiles that were removed. So it wasn't the best appearance when residents would come in and look and see all the water damage. For the most part, the construction was pretty easy. We didn't have to shut anything down and really affect operations here at all. You know, the residents could still get in here. I had some discussions with Rhett at a previous job. Basically, Rhett was already on the job and continued to work. You know, he's a good communicator, lets us know what's going on, what needs to be done. He takes care of the minor stuff and just takes care of it, and we don't need to worry about it. Yeah, we're very satisfied with the roof. We've had a lot of rain this spring, and we haven't had any issues with leaks. Yes, we really like the way things look. What I like with working with Rhett and Garland is just the whole process from identifying the concerns, putting the plans and specs together, to doing the job. They basically lead the project the whole way, and the communication is just excellent, which is Garland excels at that. Enjoyable experience as much as it can be when you're replacing a roof.